Are you sharing a computer or are worried about leaving your Protonmail account open? Whether you are a security buff or just want a peace of mind, this video will guide you through the process of signing out your Protonmail account like a pro. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and let us begin. To sign out of Protonmail, all you have to do is open Protonmail on any browser and then click on the profile picture at the top right of the screen and then select Sign Out. Once the sign out process is complete, you will see a sign in screen again, and you can enter a new email or a new password or the same email that you want to enter. And this is how you sign out of your Protonmail on a computer browser. If you have multiple Protonmail accounts signed in on your computer, head to your profile, click on Switch or Add Accounts, then select the account you want to sign in. Similarly, do the process again, switch or add accounts, and you can sign out of all your accounts from here. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what other videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.